So we're at Ada's Country Store and Cafe, just outside of Henderson, Tennessee. Let's go inside. Ada's Unusual Country Store is located in Bethel Springs, Tennessee, just south of Henderson in the southwest part of the state. The store has lots of food choices including burgers, chicken salad sandwiches, grilled chicken wrap, brisket sandwiches, a Cajun Crab dip sandwich, and lots more. Plus, enjoy some free popcorn while you wait.
Okay, so we're here at Ada's Country Market on a Saturday. It's very, very busy inside, so we came outside to sit at one of their little picnic tables so we can kind of be able to hear ourselves a little bit better.
Hey, what'd you get?
All right, so I got the Cajun Crab dip sandwich. Now I'm gonna cut it in half because it's so big in order to hold it. So, oh my God, this looks good. Let's see. Ooh. Mm. Oh my God.
All right, you've got several bites into it, so what do you think?
It's very good. The crab dip is a little on the spicy side, but of course I like spicy food.
Well, it's the Cajun one.
Yeah, it's Cajun. I have lettuce, tomato, of course a little mayo, and their bread. Oh my God, their bread. And they make their bread here, like I said. It is delicious. It's very good. Okay, so tell me what you got.
I just got a burger. I'm always good with burgers. I just asked them to burn it for me. It looks really good. I got some extra ketchup and mayonnaise because that's all I really like on it. But they already put it on there, so it looks delicious.
Is it cooked like you like it?
It's cooked exactly like I like it. It's got really good flavor.
Enough seasoning?
It's seasoned well. It's I was getting ready to say damp. It's not damp. It's damp outside, but it's moist. It's a very good burger.
And they make their own buns here too. So
yeah, and we're gonna show you more of what they have inside after this because it's a lot of stuff. You know, you can get these burgers that are specialty type burgers, whatever, but nothing beats a basic burger whenever it's cooked correctly. Whenever it's got delicious bread, just the flavor of this is really, really good. All right, so we both just finished our meals. I had the burger, I had the meal with a burger. So it was a burger, chips, and a drink. Melissa got the crab salad, Cajun crab salad sandwich, and she got that cane cola soda separately, but it was still just 17 bucks. That's not bad because it was one of the best burgers I've had in a very long time, and Melissa loved her crab sandwich, didn't you?
Yes, absolutely.
They were both delicious.
Okay, y'all. So look at these seasonings. Y'all know I am big on seasonings, and every kind of seasoning, and it goes down. It just continues on. But I'm gonna get a few things because I want to make some spices for the holidays. So let's see what I can get.
Right, they also have lots of flour available. Cocoa powder, pie and pastry flour, whole wheat, almond meal, cornmeal, polenta, buttermilk solids. They also have white sugar, brown sugar, powdered, oatmeal cookie mix, just all kind of different mixes available for pretty much all your cooking needs.
I found this apple basket. I mean, look, that's like,
it's solid.
Yeah.
Well, we're not in a dollar store.
I know.
Let's just say that.
Yeah.
It's not expensive, but we're not in a dollar store.
And I'm gonna stick to mostly seasonings, I think, today, and some bread.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm having a really hard time in this store, limiting myself because just all of this.
Yes.
And there's more rows and rows of it.
Yeah. Well, these are all soup
or
starters.
I should say, yeah.
These are all soup starters. Then you got beans, peas, rice, pasta, all kind of stuff. They also have a really good selection of cheddar dip, barbecue sauces, all kind of soup mixes, pickled eggs, which I would never touch, but they have them here if you want them.
Also, they have all the dried fruit that you can imagine. So they also have all of this stuff here that you can make up your own teas, and it just keeps going down. This is for Earl Grey green. They have lavender, they have chamomile, they have just about anything that you want that you can make your own tea of.
They have cinnamon orange tea. That sounds pretty good.
Yeah, I'm looking for some lavender.
Or look, cut and sifted cat's claw.
That's not just a flower.
I know it is. I see something else we're going to get today. Melissa's favorite is German chocolate cake, and they have it right there. They got other pies and cakes, frozen fruits, casseroles, and they also have gluten-free stuff too. They also have a lot of different honeys from different parts of Tennessee. I see several that are from Savannah, Dyersburg, and so several other places around the state. Okay, now you get to my weak spot, the candy. They have Jawbreakers, root beer drops, wild cherry drops. I'm going to be getting some of those. Just all kind of candy here. And then you move over to this side, and you got chocolate.
Lots of chocolate. Okay, so they also make their own bread here. They have the honey wheat, they have sourdough, and of course lots of goodies, some pecan supreme little cakes, all the little pumpkin breads down here, sugar-free, banana bread, cookies of course, oh, fruit cake, make a fruit cake, and we're gonna get one of these whoopie pies. Pumpkin one.
You can get you a pumpkin whoopie.
No, I'm gonna get the chocolate. That's
Okay.
what I want. All right, so we are, after probably about an hour and a half, finally leaving Ada's country store. But I have a lap full. I have roasted and salted edamame.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try that one.
Okay.
I don't know. I'm not a big vegetable type person, but
I got some crystallized ginger slices. Of course, I got a slice of that German chocolate cake.
and this will all be gone tonight.
No, it won't. No, it won't. Because
Okay.
I got me some dried orange slices. Cornbread got him some of their chocolate chip cookies.
That'll probably take more than a few days, but
Yeah. Hang on, I still got stuff.
she also got one of the whoopie pies.
Yeah, we're gonna try that in a second.
Yeah.
And then he got him some chocolate covered animal crackers.
Yeah. I know that's not a big thing, but it's one of my favorites.
I ended up, for my tea mixture, I ended up getting some lavender. I have some chamomile. And then I got some smoked paprika. I love smoked paprika to put on meat. Okay, so I also got some star of anise to make a potpourri with some of the other spices that I got. And then this, y'all, is a chocolate oatmeal cookie.
But it's about an inch thick.
It is thick, thick, thick. Hang on, and then there's something else. Oh, and we ended up getting
Some bread. My weakness.
Yeah, a loaf of their homemade sourdough bread.
Yeah, and they offer quite a few things in this store. And ever since we've been here, it's been nonstop. There's vehicles coming and going constantly. It seems to be a very popular store. We just came across it, but it's It's about an hour away from where we live at the moment.
Yeah.
And so I'm pretty sure we're going to be back here.
It's right outside of Henderson.
It's just south of Henderson, Tennessee, off Highway 45. So if you're passing through this area, Ada's is a definitely place you want to stop. And now we're going to try the chocolate whoopie pie.
This is what I'm anxious to get a bite of.
And we were watching a video last night from Adventures of A+K. They were up in Maine.
Yeah.
And they said the whoopie pie was like well known or famous up there. So we were just kind of surprised to come across it here in Middle Tennessee.
Yeah, so I want to try it.
Yeah, we're going to try it.
Okay, let's see. We got the chocolate one. They did have a pumpkin one too, but
and a banana too.
Yeah, but we're going to do the chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's good. It's really good.
What
The chocolate is rich.
Yeah.
But it's kind of a milk chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
And then the frosting.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I have another bite, okay, before you try it.
Hey, what kind of whoopie does it taste like?
Chocolate. I got chocolate on my teeth.
Well, that just means it's good.
Let me try another bite. Okay. I don't know if I can share this with you.
That's okay. I got my chocolate covered animal crackers. I'm good.
I'm trying to not show my teeth because I got chocolate.
Well, Cupcake finishes off this whoopie pie and tries to stop laughing. We're going to end this. So if you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to subscribe and follow us on our adventures, please do so. If you have any comments or suggestions for us, let us know. We'll get back to you as soon as possible.
Yeah, it really is good. You have to try it. It tastes, it's delicious. I just had chocolate like all over my teeth, so that's why I was laughing.
All right, we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. And then I also got the Star of Anise. That's for
The what?
Star of Anise.
Star of Anise?
That's what it is.
Star of Anise or Star of Nice. Yeah, we gotta keep it clean here.
You're gonna have to cut that.
I'm not cutting that. That's
Yes,
going right
you
in there.
are. No, it's not. You're gonna have to cut. I also got some Star of Anise.